Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 57, which is insert interval. Suppose you are given an array of non-overlapping intervals where intervals of I is equals to start I, comma end I represent the start and the end of the ith interval, and intervals is sorted in ascending order by start I. Okay, it seems like intervals are already sorted in ascending order by start I. Okay. You are also given an interval, new interval is equals to start, comma, and that represents the start and end of the another interval. Insert new interval into intervals such that intervals is still sorted in ascending order by start I, and intervals still does not have any overlapping intervals. Merge overlapping intervals if necessary. Return intervals after the insertion. In example 1, we have this input array 1 comma 3 6 comma 9, new interval is 2 comma 5. We need to insert in this array and merge the overlapping intervals if necessary. So 1 comma 3 is overlapping by 2 comma 5, so it will be 1 comma 5 and then 6 comma 9. So this is the output. Now in example 2, we have this input array 1 comma 2 3 comma 5 6 comma 7 8 comma 10 12 comma 16, and new interval is 4 comma 8. So 4 comma 8 basically overlaps with these three, right? So the output array will be 1 comma 2 3 comma 10 and 12 comma 16, because the new interval 4 comma 8 overlaps with 3 comma 5 6 comma 7 and 8 comma 10. Okay, so let's code the solution. Let's first have our result array. Then what we can do in the result array, let's have the first element. Now let's iterate. Let's iterate over the intervals. Now we will see basically the if the new interval lies overlaps with the current interval or not. Okay. So new interval if new interval starting point is if new interval basically it will overlap when okay, we will have three cases basically. The new interval starting point is less than the intervals I starting point, and it means that new interval should be placed before. So what we can do, we can append the new interval. So new interval endpoint is less than, okay, and result is equals to result plus intervals of I colon, and return the result from here. And if intervals I of I ka endpoint less than new interval का starting point. In that case, we simply append the current interval. Else, if there are any overlaps between the new interval and the current interval, then we are basically going to have this new interval overlapped. Okay. So it will basically minimum of interval starting point and current is interval का starting point. And the end point will be maximum of the endpoints. Okay. So now new interval will become like this, and at the end we are going to append the new interval and return result. So it seems like something happened. Our test cases are not passed. Output is 2 comma 5, 6 comma 9. My output is 1 comma 5. Okay. Okay. So this is a case of merging. So here should be minimum interval, maximum of new interval. Yeah, I think this is the case of merging. Then it should be 1 comma 5. Hmm, correct. So what we can do? Oh, let me think. There is some bug probably. Okay. So let me think of some time. Hmm. Okay. I got it. I got it. What is happening here is basically I just started from the first index. So if I run the code now, it should work. It is working. Let's submit the code. So it seems like the solution is accepted or algorithm is working fine. So there was some bug. So I started from the range, 1 comma length of intervals. Uh, so instead of 1, we should start from 0, or we can simply eliminate this. Okay. Then we can submit the code, and you see it is working fine. The solution is accepted. Algorithm is working fine. All the test cases are passed. So I hope you understand what was the bug, and I hope you understand the solution. And the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n, and it is working as expected. We are returning intervals after inserting and merging the overlapping intervals if necessary. That's what we are doing at line number 17. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.